The only thing I'm nervous about is the weather. I'm gonna start with.
A great way to get involved with school, but it also teaches you about a lot about like entrepreneurship, how businesses run.
Stop rickrolling everybody.
Oh, should we get my speaker out?
We gotta rickroll the entire school. We need to have an end credit scene of just
Rickroll.
the rickroll sound, like the song just playing on, on
Replace
speaker.
so during the have over the credits. Never gonna give you up.
We'd probably get copyrighted for that. This is all gonna be on YouTube.
Who's gonna?
So like, if we just put like a small 30-second clip of just like the beginning of it, it wouldn't be too big of a deal, I don't think. Oh, okay. I didn't realize you recorded that.